Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign in on your laptop using a PIN. If you are signing on your laptop using a password, like you are combining letters and numbers, I'm going to show you how to just use a PIN code. Okay, click on the Windows logo, go to setting, from setting, come to account. So from here, you got many options you can use to sign in on your laptop. Okay, so you just click on pin Windows Hello, you click set up and ask you to enter your current password. Click OK, and they're gonna ask you to enter your password. Confirm. You can include a letter if you want. Just gonna click OK, and it's done. Okay, very simple. Now when you restart your laptop, you'll be able to sign in using your PIN. I hope this video will have someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.